Welcome to the Environmental Studies lesson on our environment. By the end of the video, you will learn about concept of environment, components and types of environment and human-environment relationship. You'll also learn about concept of sustainability and sustainable development, multidisciplinary nature of the environmental studies and importance of environmental studies. Earth, our home planet, is uniquely brimming with life. In the vastness of space, it stands out as a heaven for a multitude of species, including us, humans. But, have you ever wondered where exactly on Earth does life thrive the most? This narrow, bustling zone is what we call the biosphere. The biosphere is a thin layer around the Earth where life as we know it exists. It spans from the deepest root systems of trees to the high altitudes where birds can fly. Life in this zone is sustained by one primary source, the sun. The sun's energy drives a complex interplay of life forms, a dance of existence that is both delicate and dynamic. Let's delve deeper into the word environment. It encompasses everything external to an organism, influencing it in myriad ways. This includes both living entities and physical factors like climate and geography. The interplay of these elements creates a system of relationships known as an ecosystem. An ecosystem is not just a collection of plants and animals, it's a network of interactions. Here, everything is connected. For instance, a simple act like a bee pollinating a flower has multiple repercussions on the ecosystem. Human interaction with the environment is profound. We are not just passive observers, but active participants in the ecosystem. Our actions, whether it's building cities or planting a garden, have an impact on the environment. Now, let's touch upon a concept crucial for our future: sustainable development. This is about meeting our needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It's a symbiotic relationship between us and the environment, where each sustains and supports the other. For centuries, humans viewed the earth as an inexhaustible source of resources. However, this perception has changed. We now understand the limitations and the impacts of our actions on the environment. Our journey through environmental understanding has been long. Since the Industrial Revolution, our population and technological capabilities have grown exponentially. This growth has brought many changes, both positive and negative, to our environment. Let's take a closer look at the components of our environment. It consists of abiotic or non-living components like light, temperature, and water, and biotic or living components including plants, animals, and microorganisms. The environment is dynamic, constantly changing and evolving. This is crucial for life, as each organism has a range of tolerance within which it can survive and thrive. Now, consider the environment of a specific organism. Take a carp fish in a pond, for instance. Its environment includes both abiotic components like light and temperature and biotic components like plants and other fish. Every component of the environment is interconnected. The health of a single species can reflect the health of an entire ecosystem. In environmental studies, we explore these complex interactions and learn how to maintain the delicate balance of our natural world. Understanding the environment is not just about scientific facts. It involves economics, sociology, politics, and culture. It's a multidisciplinary study touching upon every aspect of human life. The concept of sustainability is central to environmental studies. It's about using resources wisely and maintaining ecological balance. Sustainable development, as defined by the Brundtland Commission, aims to meet present needs without compromising future generations' ability to meet theirs. Sustainable development is a journey, not a destination. It involves making thoughtful choices about how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's about balancing ecological, economic, social, and cultural dimensions to achieve long-term viability. To realize a sustainable future, societies must transition demographically, technologically, politically, and in community engagement. This includes slowing population growth, reducing poverty, making agriculture and energy use sustainable, and managing natural resources wisely. Environmental studies cover a vast domain. It's not just about physical and biological aspects but also includes economic, social, cultural, and even legal elements. This multidisciplinary nature is essential for addressing the complex environmental challenges we face. To conclude, the importance of environmental studies cannot be overstated. It's key to achieving sustainable development and addressing global environmental issues. From pollution to climate change, the scope of environmental studies is vast and vital for the future of our planet and humanity. That's all we had for this lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.